Good morning. Welcome back in English Bal Bharti class 4. Now today we are going to learn a very interesting lesson, that is the related with the activity work. Lesson number 10. Be a craftsman. See, in our class, we are doing so many activities. We are making chart paper, chart flower, dog face. So many activities you know that we are making from the paper only. So, like that only, we are going to learn a new craft activity. The name of this lesson is that be a craftsman. Let's see what we have to do in this lesson. Lesson number 10. Be a craftsman. See, marbling. Many times you see fancy sheets of paper with beautiful designs or prints. Would you like to prepare your own fancy sheets of paper? Try the following ideas. It means in the market or in the shop we are saw different kinds of fancy papers are available in the store. So today we are going to prepare, we are going to make like that only fancy sheets of paper. But remember to ask for your parents' permission and help to do it. You may also try this in your classroom with the help of your teacher. So this is not possible to do in our classroom because of we are going to learn by online classes. So I will just tell you and you have to do with your parents at your home. Okay. What you need: a plastic bucket or a tub, water, kerosene or turpentine, plain sheets of white or colored drawing paper, oil paints, blue, red, yellow, green, a paintbrush, clips. So what you have to need for the fancy sheets? You have to take bucket or tub, water, kerosene or a turpentine. It means if you are using kerosene, so no need to use the turpentine. If you are using the turpentine, so no need of use kerosene. Okay. In between you have to only use one plain sheet of white or colored drawing paper, white or colored paper which is available in your home. Then oil paints, blue, red, yellow, green, which color do you like most, you have to use that one. And paintbrush clips, that all material we need to prepare a fancy sheets. Next one, what you have to do: fill 3/4 of the bucket or tub with water, add kerosene or turpentine to the paints that you have in separate tins. This will make the paints thinner. Do it with the help of an adult. It means you have to take the bucket full of water and you have to add the paints with you have to add the paints in that water and with the help of your parents add a few drop of paints to the water. Using the paintbrush, stir it. You have to stir whatever colors you have to mix up in the water with the kerosene or turpentine. Water gently with the brush. You will see the paints twirling around in water. It means colors we have to see in that water what the colors, different type of shape we have saw in that water. Now next, Now put the plain drawing paper sheet on the colored surface and press it tightly. It means after that when you are using the kerosene in the water and you add the paint in that water, different kind of paints you have to put in that water and you have to stir the water. After that the drawing paper whatever you have to put the plain drawing paper in that water and press it tightly. After some time lift the sheet of the paper carefully. You will see colorful shapes on the sheet. Use a clip to lift the paper to avoid stunting your fingers. Keep the sheet aside for a few moments to let it dry. You can see you that your fancy paper sheet to make envelope, greeting cards or to make paper craft articles. It means when you have to put the plain drawing paper in the water, after that you have to press it tightly in the water and after some time you have to put the paper from the water. You have to take out the paper from the water and with the help of lift or you have to use the clip for lift the paper from the water because your fingerprints have to stamp on that paper. So you have to use the clip to lift up the paper and keep aside for the few moments to dry the design and after that you are already prepare the colorful fancy paper and you can use all these papers for making envelope, greeting cards or to make a paper craft articles or any designer work. So look here, some fancy papers are here. The circle, round shape design, various kind of design we have to saw on that paper after finishing our work. You must have noticed that the oil paints dissolve in the turpentine or kerosene but not in water. They float on water. That is why you can use this technique to create fancy shapes on paper. It means if you are put the kerosene or turpentine in the water, you can saw that the kerosene and turpentine which is float on the water and that's why we are making a beautiful designer papers. Marble is a kind of hard stone which is usually white with a dark veins inside. Marble can be polished very well. This process is called the marbling because the pattern created in this process look like the pattern in marble. It means marble is the hard kind of stone. So it is usually inside and it is polished very well. It's look like a very soft stone. So that marbling designs are the famous design in the world. Look at more design papers. For example, see the first paper, how it's colorful design. Next one, that is the different kind of colors using to prepare the paper. And this one, these are the different type of the papers which prepare in the with the help of water, turpentine and different kind of colors. Okay, now you have to do this activity with your parents only. Do not do only by yourself. Okay, see you in the next lecture. Thank you.